Prepaid cards, which allow users to load money before making purchases, are becoming more popular, with transaction volumes expected to reach $14.4 trillion by 2032. Unlike credit or debit cards, prepaid cards aren't linked to any bank account, making them hard to trace and perfect for fraudulent transactions. Fraudsters use prepaid cards in several scams, including advance fee scams. Victims are tricked into paying upfront fees for fake rewards or prizes. Skimming. Fraudsters steal prepaid card data to create counterfeit cards. Card swaps. Fraudsters swap real prepaid cards with counterfeit ones and return them to store shelves. Tax fraud. Fraudsters use stolen or synthetic identities to file fraudulent tax returns and claim refunds on prepaid cards. Implementing a comprehensive fraud prevention tool like FraudLabs Pro can help in preventing prepaid card fraud. By analyzing transaction data in real time and checking the BIN or IIN number, it identifies whether a card is prepaid, gift, or corporate, allowing you to spot fraud early. You can even set custom rules to automatically flag or reject suspicious transactions made by using prepaid cards. Prepaid card fraud is a serious threat to e-commerce, but with the right tools you can protect your business. Try using FraudLabs Pro to secure your business for free now.